Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So please and please, if you not subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button. As most of you or majority of you are actually not a subscriber, you must have found this video through the search link. So make sure you just subscribe so you get an update from me. So let's take an analysis on this our gold for the next day, which is for the 12th of December, which is on Monday. We want to know where this price will be moving, right? If you take a look at this gold, right, we actually had a bearish move about the upper Friday, right? Last week Friday, right? Price gave us upper week Friday, right? That's 2 weeks Friday, right? Then on Monday, once that last week Monday, price actually also gave us a bearish move. Then on Tuesday, we actually opened and closed bullish. Wednesday, we opened and closed bullish. Thursday, we opened and closed bullish. Friday, we also opened and closed bullish. So this Monday also, we will also open and close bullish. So I am speculating a bullish move on this gold, right? Right? You know that this week, right, we would be expecting a news on this CPI, which I think will be released either on Tuesday or Wednesday. Can't confirm that right now, but it will be released I think on Tuesday, right? I think it will be released on Tuesday, right? So if I'm not wrong, if it will not be released on Tuesday, then it should be released on Wednesday. So this CPI would actually, determine the movement of this direction of this gold to our USD, right? So now let's get started. So we want to see this price move further up to take out this highest price I've gotten to. Notice that this movement itself, this is an uptrend movement, right? You can see an higher highs, then you saw a pullback here, a new highs was made here, then a pullback happened, we saw a new highs, then a pullback happened, right? Then we are now having a new highs here, right? And guess what happened? A pullback. What are you expecting next? We are expecting a new high. So we would want to see these highs, right? The CPI that will be released this week, I believe, will definitely make our DXY to drop further, right? We make our USD index to drop further. So once you take a look at that, the DXY is dropping, then you will see a bullish momentum on this gold, right? So I mean, I've done analysis on how to trade gold fundamentally. I'll pin the video on my channel, so you can go to the channel and watch it. So when you take a look at this price, once that DXY is going bullish, then you will see that this price will move up to break this highs. But we want to see where this price will be moving on Monday. So we should expect this price to actually open at a level of 17396, possibly open there, then actually go and close at this highs, right? We should at least make about 100 pips on Monday, right? At least we should see that movement from it's a level of 1000 it's let's say 1000 1005, right? What or 1810. So we should watch out for a level of 1810 on this our gold. So on Monday, we should also expect to open and close bullish. Then on Tuesday or Wednesday, the news will now determine the movements on our gold. But as of Monday, no news will be released, so you should still expect a bullish move. Since this price is still trading above our 10-period moving average, then we still consider this movement as a bullish move on gold. So gold, we are still on a bullish move. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. So what does the 4-hour time frame actually says? Clearly, we are still on an uptrend move, and we can still at this price is still trading above our 10-period moving average. So fine, there's only one movement we should watch out for, which is to actually go long. So gold, we are still on a bullish move. So let's see. Let's take a look at this as an impulse move. We will start say for quick analysis, right? So we will take a look at this as a pullback. Then we'll see price give us an impulse move here. We'll consider this as a pullback. Then a new highs, and we will consider this as a pullback. What do you expect next? A new highs to be made, possibly the final highs that we hit this level, take out this top on Monday. Then when the news on CPI is now being released, then we will now be able to determine the direction of this gold. But on Monday, we still expect a bullish move on this gold. And let's what this 1-hour time frame says. So clearly still on an uptrend move. We are still seeing this as a bullish move. So let's continue to go bullish on this gold for the Monday, right?